Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest AI and machine learning tutorials. Today, we're diving into unsupervised learning in minutes. Let's get started. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on data without labeled responses. Unlike supervised learning, we don't provide the model with the correct output during training. Instead, the model tries to find patterns and structure in the data on its own. Here's a simple example to illustrate. Imagine we have a data set of customer transactions, and we want to identify different customer segments. In unsupervised learning, the model analyzes the data and groups customers based on their purchasing behavior without any predefined labels. Host. The model might group customers who buy similar products into clusters. These clusters can then be analyzed to tailor marketing strategies for different customer segments. There are two main types of unsupervised learning: clustering and dimensionality reduction. Clustering involves grouping data points into clusters based on similarity. Common algorithms include k-means, hierarchical clustering, and dbscan. Dimensionality reduction involves reducing the number of features in the data while preserving important information. Common techniques include principal component analysis, or PCA, and TSNE. Let's look at some real-life examples to see unsupervised learning in action. Example 1. Customer segmentation. Retailers use clustering algorithms to segment customers based on purchasing behavior. This helps in creating personalized marketing campaigns. Example 2. Anomaly detection. Unsupervised learning can detect anomalies or outliers in data. For instance, in cybersecurity, it can identify unusual patterns that may indicate a security breach. Example 3. Image compression. Dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA can be used for image compression, reducing the size of images while maintaining their essential features. Unsupervised learning also plays a key role in generative AI and large language models, like GPT-4. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data, where the goal is to understand patterns and structures in the data without explicit labels. Let's dive deeper into how this works. During training, these models analyze large corpora of text to learn the distribution of words and phrases. This helps them generate coherent text based on the learned patterns. For instance, models like GPT-4 use unsupervised learning to understand grammar, syntax, and semantics from the text data. They can then generate new text that is contextually relevant and grammatically correct. One way unsupervised learning is applied in LLMs is through language modeling. Here's how it works. 1. Language modeling. The model is trained to predict the next word in a sentence given the previous words. This is done without explicit labels. The model learns from the structure and flow of the text itself. 2. Contextual understanding. By processing large volumes of text, the model learns to understand context and generate text that flows naturally. 3. Transfer learning. After the initial unsupervised training, the model can be fine-tuned on specific tasks or data sets, making it versatile and powerful for various applications. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you're using a language model to generate a story. You start with a prompt, "Once upon a time in a distant land." The model uses its understanding of language to continue the story in a coherent and creative way. This ability to generate human-like text is a direct result of the unsupervised learning process, where the model learns from vast amounts of text data without explicit labels. It can generate everything from stories and poems to code and technical documentation. In summary, unsupervised learning is essential for training generative AI and LLMs. By learning from the structure and patterns in large data sets, these models can generate coherent, contextually appropriate text, making them incredibly powerful tools in a wide range of applications. To wrap up, unsupervised learning is a key technique in machine learning that allows models to find patterns and structures in data without labeled responses. It's used in applications like customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and image compression, and it's crucial for training powerful generative AI models like GPT-4. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more tutorials and insights into the world of AI and machine learning. Thanks for watching and see you next time.